It's never a good time for your air conditioner to go out, but it's especially dangerous in the peak of summer here in the Valley. I want you to meet, he might be your new best friend, Dan Ottoman. He's Director of Operations at George Brazil Air Conditioning and Heating. And get this, they can help you the same day. We're going to talk about that in a moment. But first of all, Dan, you've got to tell everybody how long George Brazil has been around. It's kind of mind-blowing. 70 years?
That's right. Yeah, Terry, we've been in the Valley for 70 years servicing our customers, and we're excited to be here for even longer.
70 more.
70 more, yes.
Why is it, do you think, that George Brazil has had 70 years of success?
Well, I can't tell you. I love working with this team because they are so dedicated to customer service. They're dedicated to our customers. I believe we have the world-class service, and we're just excited to be here.
You've instilled all of that into all of your employees, right?
Yeah.
They're there to help, and that is something, you know, in the heat of the summer especially, that we all need. But I think what's on everybody's mind is pricing. You know, we're hearing a lot about prices are going up, but you guys are doing something a little bit different.
Yeah, we're actually trying to absorb those costs for our customers. This year, we've instilled a bunch of promotions that would help our customers out. We realize that this time is uncertain. There's a lot of economic issues.
Yeah.
But we're really excited to offer our customers the financial freedom with anything from different loan companies that we can use for them. We have several, half a dozen at least, including a non-for-profit one that really works with our customers.
Okay, so you're keeping prices down, but then you're also helping people if they can't afford. Some of these repairs can be costly regardless, right?
They can, yeah.
I want to talk about, because I said same day. I said that earlier, and everybody's ears just perked up. So what happens, and it happens, right? What if you can't repair the part the same day?
It does happen. Those parts sometimes are in another state, and we have to fly them in. When that happens, all of our technicians carry portable air conditioners on their vehicle. Oh. And if our customers need it, we will put those portable air conditioners, keep them comfortable, healthy, and safe. We'll also try to get their system up and running, at least temporarily. We can do things like rescue motors, stuff like that to help take care of them. In the event none of that, it keeps them comfortable enough, we can also send them to a hotel, and we take care of that, all free of charge to them.
Wow. Now that's customer service.
Thank you. We believe it.
Because I know that is something, and just even talking to you, I can feel it in you, and I can hear it in your voice, how important the customers are to you guys.
Absolutely. I mean, that's the whole reason why we're here, is to serve this valley. We've been serving it for so long, we want to continue to serve it and want to make our customers happy. Everyone at George Brazil, you know, raises everything to the next level when it comes to our customers. So. Yeah,
and as Director of Operations, you make sure that happens.
Absolutely. Right. I don't have to. It's easy.
It's easy. All right. Thanks for making it easy, Dan. I appreciate that. All right. Here is a special offer. This is just for Sonoran Living viewers. All you have to do is mention Sonoran Living when you call them. You're going to receive 5% off any purchase up to $1,000. Call George Brazil Air Conditioning and Heating at 480-377-1307. You can always go online to learn more. It's georgebrazilhvac.com.